Bharat Electronics, BEL, a great order book trading at an expensive price. CMP 403 rupees. Market cap 2.92 lakh rupees crore. 52-week range 361 to 473 rupees. Verdict: wait. Not because the business is broken, but because the price already assumes it's perfect. BEL doesn't need an introduction. It's India's largest defense electronics maker, Navratna PSU, and the name behind most of what the armed forces use to see, track, and shoot. Everyone knows the pitch. The terminal only cares about the numbers. The real asset here is the order book, 72,258 crore rupees as of 1st July 2026, covering roughly 2.5 to 3 years of revenue. Krasam, Project Kusha, Naval Electronics upgrades all sit inside it. That's the one number that justifies BEL trading like a growth stock instead of a defense PSU. Q1 FY27 revenue grew 25.27% YoY to 5,533 crore rupees, beating estimates of 5,100 crore rupees. But net profit grew only 8.7% YoY. Material costs alone jumped 55.7% YoY. A 25% revenue beat turning into single-digit profit growth means margin compression is happening now, not hypothetically. Management points to indigenization and easing semiconductor dependence as the fix, but that's a promise, not a result yet. Valuation is where this gets uncomfortable. Trailing pay sits near 49x against a 5-year median of 25-30x. You are paying almost double the historical multiple for flawless execution with zero margin for error. Run the peg. Forward EPS growth guided at 15 to 16% against a 49x pay gives a peg north of 3x. Anything above 2 needs an uncontested growth story, and BEL's isn't uncontested. Tata Advanced Systems, L&T Defense, and Data Patterns are all circling the same contracts. Sentiment is split. Sell-side targets cluster around 488 to 497 rupees, implying 17 to 24% upside. But the wider dispersion shows a low case of 349 rupees, below today's price, and technical models are flashing sell signals right now. Fundamentals bullish, technicals bearish. That's not conviction, that's confusion, and confusion is a reason to wait. The macro backdrop is genuinely strong. Indian defense spending is structural, not cyclical, and Atmanirbhar Bharat has turned into real procurement policy with BEL at the center. But a strong sector doesn't protect you from overpaying for it. Dynamic combined score, 5th April 2010. Wait. If you already hold BEL from lower levels, the order book gives you every reason to sit tight. If you are opening a fresh position, this isn't the entry. You'd be paying a growth multiple for a PSU still fighting a margin problem. Wait for a pullback toward 360 to 370 rupees, near the 52-week low, before deploying. Good business, bad entry point. That's the whole report. Not financial advice. Numbers as of August 10th to 11th, 2026.